Good morning, students. Welcome back to online teaching eSuvidya. In previous class, we were discussing about the poem from the formalin jar. So, in that class, we came to know in this poem, the main character, the main hero is Vicky, an imaginary character, a fictional character who has lost his valuable life in an accident, and his brain is kept in a formalin jar at Nimhans in Bangalore. And the poet Rita S. Mani, she wants to convey a message to all the young mass to be careful and follow the rules of road safety. And she has also described that Vicky was a very smart and intelligent boy, and due to a very simple carelessness, he lost his life. And he was also in love with a girl in his college, and when he was looking at her, his heart was going thud thud or thud thud. And who can know this? Only his brain, because his brain was a super brain. So the brain is telling from the formalin jar, and we have already completed the 4 stanzas, and today we will read the 5th and 6th stanza, and we will come to know what happened next. So look at your books. On a wet monsoon day, for a task mundane, Vicky rode his bike to his friend in the next lane. For once from wearing his helmet, he did refrain. God, he met with an accident, gory and inhuman. So I am reciting again. On a wet monsoon day, for a task mundane, Vicky rode his bike to his friend in the next lane. For once from wearing his helmet, he did refrain. God, he met with an accident, gory and inhuman. So, there are some new words in this stanza. Insane, excessive, human. So Vicky's love for her mother, for her grandmother was excessive. And on a wet monsoon day, on a wet rainy day, for a task mundane, ordinary, there was no serious work or extra important work, only for an ordinary work. He wanted to visit his friend. Vicky rode his bike to his friend in the next lane. For once, from wearing his helmet, he did refrain. Refrain, stop or stop doing something. Gore, bloodshed, inhuman, cruel. So look at your books. On a wet monsoon day, for a task mundane, for an ordinary task, leaky, went to next lane. That means his friend was staying very close to him, just in the next lane, in the next road, and Vicky went there. Why? For an ordinary work. Where did he go? To the next lane. And how did he go? Riding his bike. So Vicky rode his bike. Did he wear his helmet? No, for once only from wearing his helmet he did refrain. That means he was not wearing, he refrained from wearing the helmet. For the first time, it was not his regular habit. Always when he rides his bike, he wears helmet. But today, as his friend was staying very close to him, and Vicky went there without using the helmet. What happened? God, oh God, he met with an accident, gore and inhuman. The accident was inhuman, means cruel, very serious accident. A dangerous accident, and there was much bloodshed. That means Licky faced with an accident and he also was dead on the spot. And his brain was kept in a formalin jar for display. For display of whom? For the display of the medical students. They will examine the brain. So, in this stanza, we came to know that Vicky, who was a very smart boy, who was very intelligent, and science and math, computer and math were his main course. He was expert in computer and math. Only once in his lifetime he did not wear helmet, and that day only he met with an accident. Then come to last stanza. All it took was a stray moment in a young life lost, a family crossed with pain. Dear friends, take care. Risky driving can be bane. Drive safe. Let your precious life not be in vain. So there are some rhyming words like inane, pain, bane, vain. So these are rhyming words. So inane means stupid, bane, coarse, not a boon. Vain, in vain, useless, fruitless. So all it took was a stray moment inane. That means within the flash of a moment, within the flash of a time, Vicky lost his life. The life is very precious. It may be anybody's life. The life is very precious. Life is valuable. A young life lost because Vicky was young and smart. He was in college career. He was not having any disease. He was not an old person. So the death came immediately to him just in an accident. A family crossed with pain. His family was ruined. His family members mourned for him. Dear friends, take care. So here the brain is telling, requesting others, the friends of Vicky as well as other young mass, to be careful, take care. Risky driving can be banned. Risky driving can be a cause, can bring an end to one's life. So safe driving is always permissible. When you drive a two-wheeler or four-wheeler, you should follow the rules of the road. Drive safe. Let your precious life not be in vain. Drive safe. Always safe driving is advisable. So you follow the rules of the road. You follow the traffic rules. So you will be safe and you can keep others also safe. And let your precious life not be in vain. So that your precious life, your valuable life will not be wasted, will not be destroyed, or will not be ruined without any cause, will not be in vain. तुमर लाइफ टा कौन हम वृथा हम नहीं, तुमर जीवनटा एमती नष्ट हम नहीं जदि तुम्हें सेफ ड्राइविंग कर ड्राइविंग रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस मानिब. सो हियर द पोएट Dr. Rita S. Mani, who is a neurosurgeon and now also she is working as a neurologist at NIMHANS in Bangalore. Her main aim, her main intention is to give message to the young mass. What is her message? Drive safe and save your life as well as the life of others. So thank you.